Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Coding Icons, and in this video I am going to tell about some opportunities that are coming from Cognizant, M.Tech and NCR. Package would be 5 LPA plus of some of the companies, and eligible batches are 2020, 2021, 22 and 23. MCA, B.Tech, M.Tech students can apply to this opportunity. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand the opportunity in a better way. So here you can see that I have opened a website called Cognizant, and here is the job listing is there, and automation tester Selenium plus Python would be the job role, and location would be Chennai, Tamil Nadu, right. So first of all, let me tell you which batches are eligible for this company. So from 2019, 2020, 2021 batches are eligible for this job, and let's go ahead and see more about this opportunity. Hands-on experience in Selenium, well versed in Python, then experience with robot framework is plus. So it means you can say that these all are requirements by the company, right. Full-time employment will be there, and if you don't know about Cognizant, so you can read it out from here, right. So this is a good opportunity for 2019 to 2021 batch, right. So its package would be 5 LPA plus, so it's a good opportunity to apply, so you can do that. So let's go ahead and see the next opportunity. Next opportunity is coming from NCR, like software intern. The eligible batches are 2022 and 2023. Hyderabad would be the location, and if you don't know about NCR, then you can read it out from here, and here are the position summary and key area responsibilities, right. So before applying, please read it out, right. Here is the bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, computer engineering or related field or equivalent experience needed. It means these all are basic qualification needed, right. So if you talk about its package, then its package would be 4.5 LPA plus, right. So let's talk about next opportunity. Next opportunity is like junior digital content marketer. This is for 2022 batch, 2021 batch and 2020 batch, right. So location would be the Pune, and junior digital content marketer would be the role, right. So there are lots of things here, so before applying you can read it out from here. So that's it guys, I wanted to tell about these 3 opportunities. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for the more opportunity in the future. So let's meet you in the next video with more opportunity. Have a nice day.